Hello everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm just going to show you a very quick video on how you can access PowerApps in a different tenancy when your Microsoft 365 account has been invited to that tenancy as an external user. So basically, as you can see, I'm in PowerApps now, and this is my default tenancy, which my Microsoft account is related to. But if you come up to the top right and select your profile picture, and then you can see here switch directory. Once you select switch directory, this will show all of the tenancies that you've been invited to, that you have access to. And say, for example, if I now just select this intranet demo tenancy, which is a whole separate tenancy that's set up, now you can see it's switching Power Apps over. And then once this loads, we're in the Power Apps for that tenancy, and then obviously any environments we need to access in there is not a problem. And there you can see now I'm in this different tenancy, and I can just go ahead and access Power Apps as I usually would. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and take care. Thank you.